Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your mom Merely, back again with another makeup look. So as the name says, we're going to be doing a halo look tutorial. To start up, I'm going to primed my lids using the P. Louise base. You can use any eyeshadow base you have, or better still, you can use a concealer if you have no eyeshadow base. After making sure I prime my lids well, leaving no crease lines, I'm going to go into the 35B palette by Morphe's and use the navy blue color on my lids, leaving the center of my lids and going just above my crease. After packing that on, I'm going to go into another color, which is the light blue, and use it above that color, allowing a little of the color blend into the very first color I applied, just following the path in which the navy blue followed. I just use it to cover my lids just above that color. Then I'm going to blend it out using another brush, a blending brush. Just after blending that, I'm going to go back into the two colors because of the little bit of consistency that I would have left while blending. So I just pack it back on into the lids to make sure the colors still have the pigments. After blending, I'm making sure everything is blended well. Guys, when you are doing any eyeshadow look, or better still any makeup look, just make sure you blend everything out really well, because blending is the most important part of makeup. You can have a very wonderful makeup product and it will not work as well if you don't know how to make sure everything blends well into your face, if you don't know how to blend everything. So after doing that, I'm going to be doing my halo look. Halo look is more or less like a middle cut crease. I'm going to basically just do a middle cut crease in between my lids, opening my eyes to make sure I get where my crease is, and just pack the product into it gently, making sure it is well packed. And I just clean up the edges. So the halo look I'm doing, or halo looks, are the bright colors in the middle. I'm going to go into a glittery blue color and just put it at the edge to make sure it blends well into the other color already there. I do the same for the other side. Then after blending that, I'm going to go into a very light pink color and apply it to the middle. I didn't show my eyeliner, how I applied my eyeliner. I'll be doing an eyeliner tutorial later, but right now it's basically about the eyes. So I just pack it into the lids. Then this is the final look. Then I use a glitter liner above my crease where the halo is and above my liner. Then I apply my lashes. So guys, I have a full face foundation routine and also how I make my brows, so you can always watch that video. I just wanted this video to be very short and straight to the point. After that, I just added freckles on my face because you got to be extra, and I blend it out. So guys, this is the final look. I'm just gonna change and come back to show you the final look. This is the final look, guys. If you like the video, please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel if you are new. You can always leave your comments down below. Do you like the video? Do you want more short eyeshadow tutorial videos? And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.